Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be covering GoHighLevel, of course, but more specifically, we're going to be talking about AI prompts. Yes, AI prompts. I'm sure every affiliate, every single YouTuber, every person that you watch on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram has been telling you prompt engineering is the future. What are your prompts? The prompts are the most important thing, blah, blah, blah. Now, I'm not saying those people are wrong. I'm just saying there's more to the story. So that's what we're going to be talking about, AI prompts. Which ones should you use? How do you know which ones are good or bad? Will they actually help you? Will they save your time? Let's get into it. So for starters, if you guys don't know what AI prompts are, basically almost every single feature in GoHighLevel now has some type of AI put into it. So for instance, I'm on Ask AI right now. So if I asked AI something right here, like, can you build me a pipeline for my pool client? Blah, 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 whatever. Then the AI built inside of GoHighLevel is going to do that. It's going to break down everything that I typed right here, which wasn't a lot, and it's going to do everything that it thinks it's supposed to do for me. Now, here's the thing. This technically would be considered a prompt. I prompted it to do this. Is this a good prompt? No, not at all. I could have been way more specific. I could have said what I wanted inside of the pipeline. I could have put the opportunity stages. I could have put the correct opportunity stages. I could have done so many more things. But because my prompt was one sentence long and very short, it's most likely going to give me a pretty generic response or a pretty generic result in general. So what is the solution? Well, most people think it's to just go to ChatGPT and have it build the prompt for you. And let me show you how easy and what that looks like. So if I come over here to ChatGPT, I go to Ask ChatGPT right here and I say, can you come up with a very intricate prompt for my Ask AI inside of GoHighLevel in order to build out a complete pipeline with multiple opportunity stages for a pool company in Springfield, Illinois. And then I could go even more in depth and say kind of what I wanted to do. But ultimately, ChatGPT knows me so well that it's probably going to be able to do that anyway better than I could ever explain it. So I'll press enter, and then you're going to get what I would assume is a very, very intricate prompt. So check this out, guys. This is way, and I repeat, way more than what we put in before, which was just one sentence. Now we have a full description, which tells Ask AI when to use the skill. We have a pool company pipeline architect, which has the objective and all of the stages already done. We have the company profile, so it knows exactly what the company is. And then we also have instructions when building the pipeline, the purpose, the exit criteria, the automation suggestions. Then we have the required pipeline structure, which is new lead, and it shows everything under there. So when a new lead comes through a website or Facebook or Google Ads, it has to add that in. Next, we have attempting contact, and we have contact made, and it goes through every single one. So what we would usually do is we would take this and copy it. Then we'd go back into Ask AI. We'd get rid of this for sure, and we would paste it right here. Press enter, and now it's going to build a significantly better pipeline and automation and everything that we would ever need. So that in a nutshell is the difference between just typing out a quick little sentence and using a much more intricate prompt. You're going to get a better result, yes. However, I have come to the realization after 3-4 months of doing this inside of GoHighLevel that yeah, there are better ways to do this. I love ChatGPT and you are going to get an amazing result. That's totally fair and fine, but some prompts do require more engineering than others. I'm going to show you some examples of very good engineered prompts. So check this out. By the way, this is still going. Ask AI is building this insane pipeline. It's like way bigger than anything it was building before. So that should show you an actual result of what I'm talking about. But either way, I'm going to let this thing go. I'm never going to use this pipeline, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I want to now show you what a very well engineered prompt looks like. And in order to do so, I have to go to the HighLevel AI SaaS Lab. Yes, I'm promoting myself real quick. If you use my link in the description below, if you become an affiliate of me or Declan O'Reilly, the GHL Wizard, you get both of our bonuses. You get added to the HighLevel AI SaaS Lab, which is the #1 community in the world for GHL. Everyone is crushing it in here. We've got Share Your Wins column where people are just winning constantly. We've got new announcements, Q&As, and then we have a learning section, which is where I'm going to take you now, where if you scroll down, not only do you get every video you could ever want on GoHighLevel, but you get all your snapshots and AI prompts. Now check this out, guys. If I open up AI prompts, you'll notice that we have a ton of prompts prompts in here that are already built, done, updated, and they are specific for different things that you're doing inside of GoHighLevel. So let me show you one that's a little bit crazier than the other ones you've probably seen. And that prompt is going to be the business super prompt right here. Check this out, guys. So if I open this Google Doc, then you will see what a real intricate and well thought out and well built out AI prompt is supposed to look like. And no, you're not seeing this incorrectly. This is 15 pages long. 15 pages. A very good prompt can be 15 pages long. It has to break down everything. It needs a lot of information. Everything that you see right here, all the yellow highlighted, this is all information that it needs from the business or your client or whatever in order to genuinely build out everything you would need inside of GoHighLevel to support that client. Because that's where we're headed in 2027. It's all about the prompts. And it's just getting more advanced. Now, if you guys missed out on my mastermind, maybe you were late, maybe you didn't get to see it live. This was on August 20th, so a couple days ago. My mastermind with GoHighLevel was all about AI Studio. It was all about utilizing the correct prompts to build out very good websites. I'm tired of people hopping into AI Studio and just typing in, I need a pool cleaning website, blah, 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 you know, whatever. This is what they'll do. They'll type that in. This is what I used to do when I got started. Everybody did this like 3-4 months ago. And yes, it would come out with the kind of cool website. Like it would look something like this. Let me show you. So for this one, I did like a pet grooming one. I have 3 different pet grooming websites right here. I can click on each one. It's a demo site. And yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's better than like 90% of the sites that most local businesses will have, especially with pet grooming, because most pet groomers just have terrible websites for some reason. So it's not a bad site, but this isn't going to rank well. It's only 1 page long. It doesn't have good SEO. It's just ultimately not a great site. Now let me show you an example of a site that we built that utilized 20 different prompts, all specific for building unbelievable sites with incredible site speed and solid SEO and multiple, I'm talking 20, 30, 40 pages, which is really important when you're building websites for local businesses. So let me show you that example. And that would be this website. This is a real life client that we built. Shout out Dalton. Dalton helped with this a lot. This is actually his client, and he was nice enough to come on the channel and show how he built all of this. So we actually have a YouTube video showing how he built this. He actually took this photo himself. I was with him for this, and we filmed them an ad, put it on Facebook. I filmed the entire thing. I even showed you guys how we created the ad and ran the ad on Facebook, then connected it back to GoHighLevel. That ad has 22 new leads in a week. Unbelievable. This chiropractic client is so happy. He's getting leads for like $6, $7, and he's just very, very happy. But check out this website, guys. It is really, really good. And it might not catch your eye immediately. You might be like, yeah, it looks like a normal website. It's nice, but I wouldn't say it pops out and it's crazy. That's the point. It's amazing in terms of SEO because if I click on any of these conditions like neck pain, it gives you a ton of information about neck pain, which means if someone's on Google and typing in neck pain, these guys will come up way before anybody else. So if I go to like diet and nutrition, boom, we have a ton of information on diet and nutrition. It just keeps getting better. So how did we build this? Because I promise you, it wasn't hopping in here and asking for a chiropractic website. That would not come out well. So if you guys didn't see my mastermind, I will be posting the recap. Don't worry, you guys are fine. I know it was a hit. So many of you guys loved it. Thank you guys for the support. All the kind words. Everybody was freaking out in the live. It was awesome. And GoHighLevel told me it was one of their more successful masterminds that they've had recently, which is awesome. So first, let me show you the prompts that we used. We used the AI Studio website builder prompt playbook. And I'm actually going to change the name of this because it was technically Dalton who built most of this. So I'm going to say Dominic and Dalton. That's my boy. And the reason I'm bringing up Dalton so much is because he spent 3 to 4 months building this prompt playbook. Yes, 3 to 4 months, understanding the client website intake form, what to receive from the client, all of this information he needed in order to work with all of these different prompts. These are 20 different prompts that you have to do individually. You can't just paste them all and put them in there. This is like the #1 pet peeve that I have. I see it all the time. People will go to ChatGPT, come up with like some crazy prompt, put it in there and be like, yep, I'm done for the day. No, you have to do these individually and they go really fast. Don't worry. Some of them can take like 10 seconds. And so you'll do each prompt individually. Prompt 4, prompt 5, prompt 6, all the way to prompt 20. When you do all of these individually, you get results like this. You get incredible websites that have multiple pages, amazing SEO scores and amazing page speed scores, and they rank well. So many of our AI Studio websites are the top ranking in our town. And I know that there's a lot of people that are like, oh, AI Studio websites don't rank well, blah, blah, blah. Well, they seem to be ranking very, very well for us. And a lot of that has to do with prompt engineering and going through all of those prompts. So that's kind of the point of this entire video. Prompt engineering is not something that you just hop into ChatGPT, type in, give me a great prompt, and then you're done forever. That's not how this works. Yes, maybe in the future, that's how it will work. It will know exactly what you want, blah, blah, blah. But for right now, prompt engineering is pretty intricate. And that's why I work with a lot of people that are working in the agency space, working with these small business clients and working with AI, because they're constantly adapting, constantly fixing their prompts, constantly updating their prompts until they're perfect. And that is how you get a 20 prompt, 19-page perfected AI Studio website builder prompt playbook, which will be live to the public very soon. If you guys made the live, then you got this playbook. Shout out anyone who got this. Congratulations. Hopefully you're building some of the coolest sites ever. But don't worry, we are pushing it out to the public. It will be available on my YouTube channel very soon. That's why you got to like and subscribe, guys. This isn't even available in the community yet. No one has this other than the people that showed up for the live. So it's very exclusive. But don't worry, we're figuring it out. We're finding a way to give it to more people. Look, there's literally people on it live right now. That's kind of funny. But while we're on this topic, I want to show you guys one more thing. This prompt goes hand in hand with the home services template that we built as well. So as you can see right here, this is the template that we use. Going off of nothing is a lot harder than going off of a template. So we built this template, shout out Dalton again, and we gave this to everyone as well. So we put it into a snapshot and you guys can get this template. Once again, stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to talk about this and we're going to do a whole video where from start to finish, we use all 20 prompts. I'm going to do it with Dalton. We're going to do it for a concrete company that we're filming for right now. So you get to watch yet again, another client from start to finish get built on my YouTube channel. Who else is doing that? No one else is doing it like me. Come on, guys. Use that link in the description below. Show some support. We're going to keep pushing out these real life client videos. But either way, that's another thing that people miss all the time in AI Studio is utilizing a template that's already done and then 20 more prompts individually placed right here into Ask AI. So yeah, is AI Studio easy? Yeah, it's easy. But is it intricate? Of course. Most people won't even think to do 20 different prompts, let alone have the exact prompt details that they're going to need. So once again, that's why it's important to watch different people on YouTube, work with people that you like and trust, and find the people that have the prompts already done, because it's going to save you months of work. And while we're on the topic of prompt engineering, I just made a video on this recently, but if you go to the AI agent section and you go to Conversation AI bot, and then you open up one of these bots, you'll notice we have something new in here. It is called the prompt optimizer. So GoHighLevel has now realized how important these prompts are, and they've even created for us a prompt optimizer that runs through multiple scenarios and then constantly fixes your prompts over time. That's the definition of prompt engineering. So that's where we're headed now. That's where we're at now, is we have literal prompt optimizers that optimize these prompts over here by running through all of these different scenarios, even custom scenarios that you can build yourself. I can't make this up. Our prompts are just going to be stronger and stronger and stronger. AI is getting so out of control. And if you guys aren't utilizing this stuff, if you're not spending time on prompt engineering, if you don't understand the difference between typing one sentence and typing 19 pages of prompts, then I'm sorry, I don't know if I can help you. But with all that being said, that just scratches the surface at what you can do with prompts. And I just wanted to make this video to bring awareness to prompt engineering and AI prompts inside of GoHighLevel. They can be more than what you think, and they should be. The best of the best prompts, yes, might require 20 different copy and pastes. It might require an intake form with 70 different things on it. And it might be a little more than just saying, build me a chiropractic website. But lucky for you, I do a lot of that heavy lifting for you. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, grab these prompts. Don't worry, that 20 prompt playbook will be live very soon. I'm excited. I love that thing. Genuinely, you can build entire websites in like an hour, 2 hours, and they're like $15,000 worth of value. It's just crazy what world we're living in today. So stay tuned to the channel. Do not miss out. Utilize as many prompts as you possibly can, but use the right prompts, guys. Don't waste your time, which is super easy. If you use that link in the description below, you get a ton of prompts. But either way, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see what you guys do with these amazing AI prompts. I can't wait to see you inside of the best community on the planet for GHL. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video tomorrow, because I post every single day on YouTube. You guys already know that. Peace out.